Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn about Kubernetes. Firstly, I would share some topics which will be covered in this tutorial. First, we will do some installation, and in this Kubernetes installation, we will cover two topics. Single node cluster with the help of Minikube. With the help of Minikube, we will create single node Kubernetes and VM will be covered in this tutorial. Like how it will be work on this. And VM will be creating the virtual box like in this first step we will cover in this. Then second one is the another node. We will have three different virtual machines we will create, and all the virtual box in which one will be the master and two will be the workers. And after that, then we will get an overview of what is Kubernetes, how it works, and how it created. And in Kubernetes, we will learn about what is pods, controller replica sets. Then we have gone to like deployment, namespace, and services. And after that, we will go for a Kubernetes cluster architecture, in which we will see that how it will create an architecture overview and how it would create a Kubernetes clusters and what is the overview of this. Then we will know about what will we do under the master node and worker node. Then we create a pod with three different styles, and then we will focus on what is different between them, like how it works, how did three different types of styles which will cover in different pods. Then we will have a focus on like what is difference between all these pods they have. Then after that, how do we update that pods, delete that pods with the different manners. And further go on, we will create there's other different topics we have to cover on this Kubernetes playlist, like what is manual scheduling, label and selectors, 10-10 tolerance, how it works, node selectors, resource requirements, commands and argument requirement. Then we go for the environment variables, how did create environment variable in this Kubernetes environment. Then they have a init container, how did work, how they create a multi-container pods over there, like how they create we will learn about like a life cycle of pods. Then we update the rolling updates, they have rolling back, we will learn about that. Then we have go for the auto scaling, like in we with this we have to integrate with this Docker, like how the Docker will maintain a container, the container images, all that. And how did auto scaling will be work in this, like how they scale up their instances, scale up their the Kubernetes container over there. And after that we will see namespace, domain sets, static pods, configure maps we have here in this tutorial. Then we will learn like how did it do their all their clustering over their maps over there. Then we have a service amount over there, jobs, and there are different type of jobs like cron jobs. We will mostly focus on like how it works, how it created a cron jobs over there. And further on, there is a we will cover more things in this playlist. Like this is just an overview, like for what we do in this Kubernetes tutorial. Further on, we will update it the how to integrate the Docker. Firstly, you have any idea of like how it work in Docker? You have some good understanding about Docker, how to maintain a Docker container, how to create an images over the container. So, firstly, if you have any idea about like how to work on any of the Docker, um, you have any basic knowledge of Dockers, then you will go for this Kubernetes, and you can easily understand like how to create a clusters, how the multiple clusters will be created in this. So these all things are covered in this playlist. So this is just a overview, and this is just an overview of like cluster Kubernetes playlist. So that further on in the next video we will create some more. We will create starting the installations process over there. So these all the things we are covered in this video, and we will very soon we will go for the next video, and then I will show you like how to create an installation. So thank you for watching this. We will come back soon, and then we updated more videos of Kubernetes.